Is your garage door not opening smoothly? It could be a problem with the cables. Let's look into why these issues happen and how you can fix them. Garage door cables are crucial for lifting and lowering the door safely. Over time, they can wear out or get damaged. Common issues include frayed, rusted, or snapped cables. Each of these can make your door unsafe to operate. Let's start with diagnosing your cable problem. Look for visible signs of wear, uneven door movement, or unusual noises. Fixing the cable might require adjusting the tension, replacing the damaged part, or sometimes a full cable replacement. Always consider safety first. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, it's best to call a professional. Maintain your garage door cables regularly to avoid these issues. Simple checks and lubrication can extend their life. Encountering issues with your garage door cables? Don't let a small problem turn into a major headache. Contact Metro Garage Door Repair for prompt and professional assistance. Our team of experts is equipped to handle any repair or maintenance your garage door might need. Trust Metro Garage. Call us today.